What we got going on is the other day we picked up this little camper shell. Guy wanted it off his property. So we're going to restore it, repaint it, redo all the flooring, play some stuff, make it look good. But first, before we get too crazy, is we gotta get this ball out of here on this little truck. So I'll show you what I got going.
Fucking Sam's got one though.
Alright. It's right up over that rear differential.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, I see why it might be too fucking long.
Right.
Uh-huh.
So
Fuck, it looks like it's barely fucking long enough for your breaker bar.
yeah. So that's kind of what I'm trying to deal with. But I got some extension, might be able to drop it down, maybe, I don't know.
I don't know if you got that much extension. I think your pump gonna be in your way too.
Yeah. I mean, we got the exhaust gonna be in the way of the fuel tank. That spare tire is gonna be in the way.
Have you tried cranking on it yet?
Yeah. Another thought I had was getting a ratchet strap. And
That's what I was exactly just thinking.
The ratchet strap, hook it on there and see if we could. It's like hook it to the frame somewhere.
Yeah.
You'd have to.
Somewhere over there.
Yeah, I was gonna say you'd have to go up, down up. Like that. Like that. Watch your brain, watch your brain. Oh.
Well, yeah, I mean, we can set a red shirt right through there. Yeah, no big deal.
Actually, you know what?
I mean, that's pretty long right there. We might be able to get that.
Yeah. Here, if you want. Yeah. Actually, I got an idea.
What do you got?
I'm going to torque the fuck out of this. I'm going to tap on the ball up top with a hammer.
Okay.
And maybe that vibration will knock
You
something
want to
loose.
throw some panther piss on this?
You got some?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it works slick.
I can't get that off. There we go.
Alright, cool. That's what we're doing now. That's what we're attempting at doing. He's spraying a little bit of panther piss. Kind of like a nutly releaser. That's better than WD-40. This is a 1 7/8 socket we're using on the 1/2 drive.
I also can hit it with the torch for a little bit. I'll help loosen it up.
Yeah. You think you need the accelerator torch? I mean, I got a propane torch in the.
I was gonna say propane. I was.
Yeah, let's not. Yeah, let's hit it with that. Flammable panther piss, and we're using propane torch. This ought to be fun. Alright, this is what it's come to. better. All right. Gonna set that there for right now. Up and over that. Up and through there.
Hey, I think you need to go right through here.
Right through, around there.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna have to put a loop in it. There we go. Yes. All right, give me some. There we go. All right. I'll hold this right here if you want to get it hot.
See that work?
Hold on, see. Let me get out of here.
Yeah.
All right, let's ease up on it. Yep, you're good. You're good. Broker loose. Back her up. Oh yeah, that worked actually. I think so. On the first try, even. Yeah. Yeah, man, I think that worked.
Huh?
I think that fucking worked. No, it worked.
I thought it broke the nut.
Come ow! I got too excited. All right. I actually think that worked. Hold on a second. I mean, oh. Well, it's still too tight to do one arm to put. All right, let's see here. Set that down. Oh yeah, it's still way hard. But that might have given us the edge we need. Oh yeah, you want to watch your fingers on this one. Well, we got her busted loose, but yeah, now the ball up top's moving, so not really sure what's going on at this point. Woo! to get my regular camera up because I have a feeling that's gonna fall the fuck over. Okay. That might hit her right there, big boy. It may just because I'm not doing it. I was gonna say. It may not be because I'm not doing any of the work, but that looks like it's getting easier.
Yeah.
Woo!
Got that bitch.
Holy cow, look at there. Oh, that is warm.
Yeah, we kind of heated it up.
Yeah, forgot about that. All right. Hey, the beer in the cooler is ice cold, man. It's been on ice for a while. Oh, yeah. Oh. Oh. A lot more sure. Oh. A nut. Make sure we get all this stuff out from underneath here, because I don't want to be bitched at when his wife mows the yard and throws a washer through somebody's truck window.